Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Highlander tail light, updated. First, gather your replacement tail light assembly, a screwdriver set, gloves, and safety glasses. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid any electrical issues. Remove interior access panels, unplug the tail light connector, and remove mounting screws. Keep hardware organized and inspect the new unit for correct fit before installation. Start by opening the liftgate and removing the interior trim panels to reveal the mounting screws and clips. Use a screwdriver to remove fasteners and gently unclip the wiring harness, keeping track of all hardware. Support the tail light assembly with one hand while you remove the final screws to prevent it from falling and scratching paint. Set the old assembly aside and compare bulbs and connectors to the new replacement to ensure compatibility. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot brings your space to life with voice control and music, which is handy when you are working on projects and need a timer or playlist. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your garage or workshop. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new tail light assembly and test fit it to verify alignment with mounting points and body contours. Reconnect the wiring harness and have a helper press the brake, turn signals, and reverse to confirm all functions work before tightening hardware. Once confirmed, torque screws snugly, avoid over-tightening, and reinstall interior trim panels neatly. Finally, reconnect the battery negative terminal, clean any fingerprints, and do a last functional check to ensure a safe, finished job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.